Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. Welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos in a stream. Okay, today we will see that how gift cards work in Shopify. We are in Shopify admin. If you haven't got any Shopify subscription, then you can get it from the link given in the description. Free trial for 14 days. Okay, let's move to the work. Here in the gift cards, we have several options, like you can export the gift cards once it is created, you can add gift card product, you can issue gift card to customer directly from here. So we will see how we can add gift card product. Just click on it. Then here you can make it a title. %% of gift card, and then you can give any demo description. I'm just giving it as a demo, right? So you can make it active from here on the right side, and you can also publish on all sales channels at once or few sales channels by enabling or disabling it from here. And then you can add a media here, media image. You can also add these accepts images, videos or 3D models. We will just add one image here for gift card. So we'll just adding some demo image here. After adding the image, you can make it type here, like what type is it, product organization is already selected as a gift card, and then the vendor, whatever name of your Shopify vendor, and then the collections on which you want to show it. We can also create a custom collection here, and then the tag, with which tag you want to show this way. Okay, then denominations, like here you can make it just you can delete all previous. You can click on add denomination, and like here you can call it amount, like we call it 100%. We'll call it some price, like we can make it 50 rupees. If the currency is in dollars, you can make it $50. If it's in rupees, you can make it 50 rupees, no problem. Here we have set 50 rupees denomination for this gift card. So here is the SEO section. Here you can give a title between 19 to 70 characters, and the description should be between 320 characters. Here you see it will be good if you follow the recommended characters in description. It is good for SEO purposes. Search engines can easily read and show it to the traffic to the customers visiting search engines. Here is the URL handle. Like every single product in Shopify has some handles. Pages have handles, collections have handles, so you can make it accordingly, like 50% of gift card, like this. And then meta fields, there is option of meta fields available. Like here you can also add meta fields, like or disclaimer. You can add custom disclaimers for each and every product in Shopify. Now meta fields are available. We will also create a video on meta fields, how this works, and you can also have a look at meta fields, how to add meta fields on product pages with different custom values. So here you see we have theme template, like with which template you wanna assign this gift card with, and gift card template suffix, like how the suffix should be. So you can select it from here. So after doing all this, you can click on save, and when you click on save, your gift card has been created. So here you see in the gift cards, you can view gift card products. So here it is showing. You can also view it on your store. Your gift card will be showing like this. Like if somebody is buying gift card of the value, then they can buy it directly, or even you can also issue gift card to the clients directly from here. Like here, now you can issue gift card to any customer of your store. Okay, here you see gift card code. That is automatic code has been generated. You can make it value like 50 or 100, whatever you want. And then you can also select an expiration date, or you can make it no expiration date, or you can make it expire like after 28th February. No one can use it. The person to whom you are sending this gift card, he must use it before some date. This is a good way of getting conversion rate high. Like if you already have 1 million audience on your store and you want to make them involved in getting sales for your store in few days, you can make it 10% off with gift card code, and you can send them with expiration date, like hey, buy it, use it before this date on any product of our store, then you will get this percent off. So this make our conversions high for that date. And you can also wrote a note here, like these notes are private and won't be shared with the customers for your own use, like free gift card for Black Friday, Cyber Monday here. So once you will select the customers that are already in your stores, you can click on save, and the gift card will be issued. This was the video on how gift cards works. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, like the video, and keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.